Hello and how's it going? Zach D Productions here, and I am here for an unboxing video for you guys. So for this unboxing, I will be unboxing Demon Hunter's latest album, Exile. This is the deluxe edition. So here's what it looks like. Very nice artwork. Very cool. I guess you can kind of call this a CD pickup video as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what we get here. So let's just get this out of the wrapping. Okay, here it is without the wrapping on it. Very cool. So let's see what we get in here. All right, so this must be the comic. That is really cool. This is awesome. Look how cool that is. Really nice quality stuff, really is. You can tell that they really put a lot of effort into this. So yeah. This is the comic that you get with it. Right here, I think, is the liner notes from Ryan Clark. Yeah. This is basically the booklet. So here's a few of the pages. You got images of the band right here. That's pretty cool. Really dig it. Dig it a lot. Really cool. And then the last thing here has to be the CD, which I believe comes in this little envelope here. So let's go ahead and get this out of the envelope. Okay. Oh. Okay, yeah, so here is where the CD comes in. Yep, CD is right here. I really like the artwork on the disc here. It's different than the one on the standard edition, but I think I like this artwork better, this disc artwork. And then you also get some art cards, or a poster, I believe. Yeah, this is the art card that you get, which is really cool. I really dig this artwork. This here must be the poster. Yep. So here's the album cover to Exile. This is one of the versions of the cover. This is the other version. This is actually the cover art that you will get if you purchase the standard edition. But yeah, very cool stuff. Paid some good money for this too, so I'd say it's worth it. It was like around $50 or something like that. So that's my unboxing video for Demon Hunter's Exile Deluxe Edition. So let me know what you think. Did you also purchase this? And do you think it's worth the money? I'm definitely glad I have this, so let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and have a good one.